Guys, today I will be sharing how to make ube cream cheese ripple cake. Last week I showed you how to make ube inipit, and remember we had so much ube left over, so I made this recipe. I'll put the link in the description box on how to make the ube halaya. This is 1.5 cups of plain flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 250 grams of unsalted butter, 250 grams of cream cheese. This is 1 cup of ube halaya. Again, I'm gonna put in the description box on where to find the recipe for this. 4 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and 3 eggs. That's all we need to make this cake. So begin to beat the room temperature cream cheese, then add the sugar. Once everything is well combined, we're going to add the egg. Continue mixing. Stop for a second and scrape the side of the bowl. And then mix again. Once the mixture is smooth, we're gonna stop mixing and then we're gonna set this aside. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, melt the butter, combine the baking powder and the salt together with the plain flour. Give it a quick mix and then set this aside. Combine the melted butter and the vanilla. Give it a mix, then add the packed brown sugar. Continue mixing. Once everything is well combined, we're going to add the eggs, the 2 remaining eggs. You can use a whisk to do this process, but a spatula will do as long as the eggs is well blended with the butter mixture. Finally, we're going to add the flour mixture. Don't overmix this. Stop mixing as soon as everything is combined. So this is now ready. We're going to transfer this into a prepared pan. I'm using 10 by 10 square pan. So spread the mixture evenly. To this, we're going to dollop teaspoonful of the ube halaya and the cream cheese. So I'm just gonna show you the whole process so you can see how I do it. So after about halfway of putting the ube halaya, I'm going to add the cream cheese. So this is the cream cheese. And then add the ube halaya again. And then I'm going to add the rest of the cream cheese after this. Just make sure that a little bit of the ube halaya is showing. Now, using a skewer or a knife, swirl through the cake so we create the ripple effect. I'm adding a little bit more of the ube halayas so it shows through. Now we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until just firm to touch. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let it cool down in the pan before removing it. And this is what it looks like. Now we're going to cut the cake. You can cut this any size you like. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is so good. It's so addictive. It's so easy to make. And just to show you what it looks like, close up, and when you bite into the ube cream cheese ripple cake, the cake is so moist and soft. I can guarantee you will not be disappointed making this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!